In this video, we are going to show you how to import and publish changes to your Salesforce instance. You can use ProductEngine Salesforce integration to update pricing in any of your price books, create one or more new or replacement products, deactivate one or more products, create a brand new price book with existing products, or publish product and pricing to multiple Salesforce instances. These settings apply to standard objects in standard and custom price books. If your environment has custom objects and you want to use ProductEngine, please get in touch with us and we can help you map your fields using our advanced UI. With that out of the way, let's jump into it. In this example, I have a standard price book and two custom price books called Retail and Wholesale. I'm using standard objects and my standard price book unit price is my RRP. My retail and wholesale price books have the same products as my standard price book, but with a 10% and 20% discount off RRP respectively. Let's see this in action. We will start with navigating to the integration section in ProductEngine and selecting Salesforce import under the add and integration section. This will bring up the connection settings. I'll rename this to standard Salesforce import and add my connection settings. Once they are added, click on test connection and ProductEngine will verify that the connection is working and that you have the correct permissions for product 2, price book 2, and price book entry. If the result is successful, click Save Connection. This will bring up the price book and product fields sections. Note that the standard price book is mandatory, but you can add other custom price books. I want to add my retail price book and my wholesale price book, so I will do this in the custom price book section. 3 fields in ProductEngine are mandatory for inputs. IsActive or active is used to note the status of a product, which is very useful if this is a new product and you're not sure if the product has been activated yet. Product code is used by ProductEngine to identify and match products so that we know which rows in ProductEngine correspond to the products that you are importing. Product name is a SFDC mandatory field, and this is used by Salesforce to identify your products and map the right fields to the correct products. These are all the fields I'm interested in, but you can add others. Once that is done, you click Save Connection and select Import from Salesforce. ProductEngine will then import all the data that you have specified and then create a CSV in the imports with the name that you have given to this import. At this point, you can select which columns you wish to map your data to. I have created the columns that I want to map this data to beforehand. My standard price book unit price is my RRP, while my retail and wholesale unit price will be retail list price and wholesale list price respectively. When I'm ready, I select all the rows and import everything to my library. This will import all 17 items. And with that, I have imported all of my data from Salesforce into ProductEngine. Now let's take advantage of having our Salesforce data in ProductEngine. In my library, I have set up retail discount and wholesale discount columns. I've then used a formula in the default value to set the retail list price to be the RRP less the retail discount. I've done the same for wholesale list price so that both my retail and wholesale list prices are calculated based on my RRP. Now that I have my retail and wholesale list prices, it is time to set up our Salesforce publish or export settings. We will navigate to integrations again, and this time select Salesforce Publish Basic. This will bring up the connection settings. I will then rename this to Standard Salesforce Publish and add my connection settings. Once they are added, click on Test Connection and ProductEngine will verify the connection is working and that you have the correct permissions for Product 2, Price Book 2, and Price Book Entry. If the result is successful, click Save Connection. This will bring up the price book and field mapping sections. You have to have a field map to the standard price book list price. In our example, this is our RRP field. I'll also add our 2 custom retail and wholesale price books and map them to their respective list price fields in ProductEngine. Next, I need to map other product fields in ProductEngine to their Salesforce fields. Since I only had IsActive, product code, and product name imported anyway, I'll select their column name in ProductEngine here. Once that is done, I'll click Save Connection, and this mapping will become available to me when I want to publish to SFDC. Let's do that now by creating retail and wholesale price lists. Make sure when you create these price lists that they include the isActive, product name, and product code columns, as well as the standard price book list price column, which in this case is the RRP column. From within our price books, we can choose our publish settings and then select the rows that we want to publish and click on the Publish button, which will push these changes to SFDC and give you a prompt when the changes have been pushed. And that's how you can import from and publish to SFDC using ProductEngine. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Thank you.